Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today we are tackling my wardrobe, which is right over here. It's this mirrored wardrobe. I'm not sure if it's maybe a bit confusing, but it's got three sides, so two of these are mine and then one is my husband's, and obviously I'm gonna tackle mine today. My husband can do his if he wants to, although I don't feel like he has a lot of decluttering to do because he's quite neat and he's also got like not as many clothes as I do, obviously. So I'm going to do my wardrobe switchover from summer to autumn winter. So I've got all of my autumn winter bits under the bed right here. So I've got all of my autumn winter bits in here. So I'm going to take all of those out, but first of all let me show you what my wardrobe looks like. So I don't think it looks that bad because we only recently got it, so it's not, you know, it's not super cluttered or anything. I still got loads of summer dresses and jumpsuits, blazers, things like that. So I'm going to take those out, put them all on the bed, and then I'm going to put those in storage. I might leave a few dresses out that I feel like I might, you know, wear to transition into autumn winter. But for the most part, I'm gonna put them away. And then in here, I've got very summery bits that I actually haven't worn in a little while because it hasn't been really that warm. We've had a tiny bit of a heat wave these past few days, but I still haven't worn these because they are very, very summery. And then these are a lot of basics. So I've got tops. Don't think I'm gonna tackle these because these are very basic. So I've got tank tops and long sleeves, so they're really good layering pieces for autumn winter as well. I've got jeans and then leggings and trousers and things like that in here. So again, I don't really need to go through all of these. I've got socks and just underwear and things like that. And then in this one, I've got pajamas and loungewear. So again, I'm not going to tackle these four because they are quite organized. I only did them recently. You might have seen that video because I haven't posted it that long ago. So yeah, I'm not going to touch those drawers right there. I got them in like a really good order and it works really well for me. But what I want to do is switch over all of these. So let's go ahead and tackle that.
You want to, please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around.
Okay, drawers are pretty much empty. I've only got things in that one, and those are things of my husband's. So I'm going to leave those there and he can take them out when he wants to. But look at that pile of clothes now. So I'm going to go through all of these and put them in the wardrobe. It's like when you take all of your seasonal items out. It's like going shopping when you don't actually spend any money. So it's really exciting. I can't wait to wear this jacket. I've got this from Primark last year and I love it so much. It's really nice and cozy. I've got my hat. I've got that kind of blazer thingy. All of the cardigans and knitwear. This one I've had for years. It's from Zara knitwear and I love it so much. It's got pom-poms on it. Then I've got some faux fur vests. I've got this one, which is really cute, and then I've also got this one as well, and they're really cool layering pieces. I really like them in the colder months. Then I've got some scarves over here, and then I've got this knitwear dress, which I can't wait to wear. I haven't worn this in so long, obviously since last autumn winter. And then I've got this scarf, which I know was in a while ago, but I still love it because I really like the colors. I feel like it's such a nice fall vibe. And yeah, just going to have to go through all of these and organize them a bit. But now that I've emptied these drawers, I'm going to go through my clothes and take all the summery and spring bits out so that I can make some room for the knitwear.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time...
Right, I am making progress. It might not look super empty. I've still got some tops here that I think I might be able to layer with some knitwear on top and just some shirts and things like that. And then I've left here this pinafore dress and then also this skirt because I feel like, again, I might be able to transition this into a like an autumn outfit as well. This part is all empty. There weren't a lot of bits anyway in there, and again, this part I haven't really touched. So now I'm going to, I've also left this dress, it's like a gingham dress, because I feel like it might be a good transition piece as well, just to kind of layer with some knitwear on top, like a cardigan maybe. So now I'm going to go through all of these, put them on hangers. These are all the hangers that are now empty, and pop them back in the wardrobe.
This time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why, why don't you come on over and be my...
Right, so that is pretty much my wardrobe organized. Everything's gone from the past summer bits are in the drawers, and then over here I've kind of organized knitwear and jackets. I've decided to put the coats in here for now, and I might take them downstairs once it gets a bit colder and I actually wear them a lot more. So yeah, I've got knitwear, jackets, the faux fur vests, I've got tops and some more knitwear over here. I've kind of tried to color coordinate a little bit, and I really like this side with all the neutrals. I think it looks really lovely. Then I've got some more sweatshirts right there, and then these are some joggers, hat, and some more sweaters, and then I've got in here all of the scarves kind of organized, and then again in there I didn't really do much. So yeah, that's my autumn winter wardrobe so far. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, kind of doing my wardrobe switchover with me. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!